Hello student, do hard work.
Hello student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to you another important video. Today I am telling you equation of motion. There are three equation of motion. First equation of motion. First I am telling you first equation of motion. B is equal to u plus at. It's a proving of first equation of motion. So look here. First equation of motion. Let initial velocity of a body, let initial velocity of a body is equal to u and final final velocity of a body is equal to v. Then we know that acceleration is equal to change in velocity. Change in velocity is final velocity v minus initial velocity u upon time. Now time in divide, it become here in multiply. So we can write minus u transfer become plus u. So we can write v is equal to u plus at. This is called first equation of motion. Now student, I am telling you second equation of motion. Second equation of motion is s is equal to ut plus half at square. Now I am telling you proving of s is equal to ut plus half at square. Second equation of motion. Let initial velocity of a body is equal to u and final velocity of the body is equal to v. Then distance traveled distance traveled distance traveled is equal to distance traveled s is equal to distance traveled s is equal to average velocity into time. Average velocity into time. Distance traveled s is equal to average velocity. Average velocity is the sum of initial and final velocity. This is called average velocity. Average velocity is equal to u plus v by 2 into time t. Now student, we know that from first equation of motion we know that v is equal to u plus at. So in the place of v we can write u plus at. In the place of v we can write u plus at. So u plus at divide by 2. Now 2 in divide it become here in multiply. So we can write u 1u into time t. 1u plus 1u 2u. 2u into t 2ut plus 80 into t 80 square divide by 2 and divide by 2. So we get s is equal to ut plus half at square. We get finally s is equal to ut plus half at square, half at square. This is the proving of second equation of motion. Now student, I am telling you third equation of motion. Third equation of motion is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Let initial velocity of a body is equal to u and final velocity of a body is equal to v. Then we know that from first equation of motion, from first equation of motion, from first equation of motion, we know that v is equal to u plus at, squaring both sides, we get v square is equal to u plus at whole square. Now v square is equal to u square, square of this u square plus a square t square plus 2u at. Now v square is equal to u square, multiply this portion by 2a and divide each term by 2a. Divide this term by 2a, a square t square, divide this term by 2a. Then we get v square is equal to u square plus 2a. A to a cancel, we get half at square. 2 to 2 cancel, a to a cancel, we get ut. Dear student, we know that ut plus half at square is equal to s. So in the place of this we can write from second equation of motion, we know that from second equation of motion s is equal to ut plus half at square. So we can write in the place of this s. So it becomes 2as. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. So this, dear student, this is the proving of third equation of motion. This is the proving of third equation of motion. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. Okay, students.